Facility maintenance is a never-ending task. MasterLibrary understands just how much goes into keeping your facilities running smoothly. We created ML work orders to alleviate some of that burden, freeing up more time to execute work orders rather than managing them. Centralize your technology and maintenance requests into one location, allowing for access anywhere on an internet-connected device. Submitting a work order is quick and simple and can be done on the go. Forms are fully customizable, making sure they cover exactly what you need done. Clear communication is front and center with ML work orders. Once a request is submitted, an auto-generated email alerts the appropriate user. They then assign the task to one or multiple users. When the task is finished, it is marked complete and the original requester is notified. Organize and track fixed assets or equipment with our asset management module. No more searching for manual and warranty information in a file cabinet somewhere. Everything is attached digitally and saved in the cloud. Maintenance history and scheduling information is also securely stored. The system even allows IT technicians to check in and out devices, creating an efficient, hands-off process. We integrate with the Google Admin Console to automatically sync Chrome device information back into ML work orders. Our QR code generator provides a scannable tag which is placed directly on assets, bringing up the asset's record immediately with a quick scan from your phone. With ML work orders, never run out of important supplies again. Our inventory management module monitors your stock of parts and supplies. If quantities hit your designated minimum, a notification is sent prompting a reorder. Set up recurring work orders with our preventative maintenance module. If an asset requires scheduled cleanings or inspections, set it and forget it. You can auto-assign tasks to users and include step-by-step procedures for them to follow. With all of this data centralized, ML work orders is able to pull it into visual and interactive reports. Make informed decisions based on the most accurate and up-to-date information. Beyond the cost savings of the product alone, you'll find the efficiencies packed into this product reduce expenses related to time, labor, and maintenance. Take a step into the future of work order management with ML work orders. If you'd like a full demo of everything our software can do, please reach out today.